Save Emmett, a Lego character, from an unstable construction site. The correct option is Emmett, the Lego movie. Choose correctly to save Sarah, who is in an urgent situation holding a mysterious book. The right choice is save Sarah, who's holding a mysterious book. You discover Jessie, the artist, stuck atop a flimsy ladder in her studio with her sketchbook in hand as the ladder begins to wobble. What should you do to save her? Your best bet is secure the ladder. Andrew Tate is trapped inside a submerged car and the water level is rising rapidly. Save him now. Indeed, use an emergency hammer is correct.